Hey guys, it's LILAK STYLZtas here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. Kindly click the subscribe button for more great and amazing DIYs, fashion, beauty, hair and lifestyle content. To my amazing returning subscribers, you're also welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please give me a thumbs up if this video was helpful and drop a comment as to what you think of this video. Thank you. In today's video, I will show you how to make a jumbo braided ponytail using an attachment. So guys, let's get right into it. So guys, behind the scene, I went in to wash my hair and I used the hand blow dryer to blow dry the hair. And afterwards, I went in with my comb to comb out the hair to the center. And next up, I used my rubber band to ensure that I secure the hair tightly to the top center of my head. So after securing the hair tightly to the top center of my hair, I then applied the petal styling gel on every part of my hair. After applying the styling gel to my hair, I then went in with my tail comb and brush to smoothen out the areas I applied the gel to. I would advise you don't rush, you take your time, because yeah, it could get tangled up. So after smoothing the hair, I went in with my rubber band again to secure the hair very tightly, and afterwards I went in to braid the tail part of my hair and then wrapped it around the center. So guys, afterwards I had to ensure that my baby hair is on fleek, so I used a shine and jam gel to ensure that I styled the front part of my hair very well and make sure that baby hair is on fleek, you know. Yes guys, I am loving this look already. I love the baby face, you know. So yeah, afterwards I went in with my hand blow dryer to ensure that the hair completely dries up, and then afterwards I used my got2b spray glue I mean and then I sprayed it around my hair to also ensure that the hair is properly, you know, glued and on fleek. And yeah, afterwards I used like a band to secure the hair tightly and ensure that the hair is well laid, you know. So guys, I'm going to be using Lush Hair Ready to Use attachment. I love this hair because it's already been pre-cut and pre-picked already. So it's just for you to get right into it, brush and then, you know, braid. So guys, I then went in with my hairbrush to brush out the attachment, and afterwards I used a band to secure the hair tightly, and then went into braid. So what this band is actually going to do is, afterwards I'm going to use the band again to secure the center part of my hair so that it would hold it. That's what I'm going to use to attach the attachment to my hair. So guys, yeah. So guys, afterwards, behind the scene, right, I went in to braid the hair, and I'm back to fix the attachment to my hair. Yes guys, so this is the finished product, but I wouldn't leave it like this. I would rather just wrap it around. So all I did next was wrap the attachment around my head, the center part of my head, so it gives me this baby girl look. So yes. So after styling the hair, I went in with my ultra setting spray to ensure that my hair is shining and on fleek. Thank you so much guys for tuning into my channel and watching this video. I sincerely do appreciate you guys. To my newbies who are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so for more great and amazing weekly content, and do not forget to turn on your notification bells too. Thank you so much guys. Mwah.